Hey guys, this is Cesar with LaView Security, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your NVR system. Let's unbox your LaView system. For this example, we're going to set up a 2 megapixel bullet camera. You should have the following: your LaView camera, 100-foot Cat5e cable, mounting accessories, weatherproof housing connectors. Now we set up the camera. You can mount the 2 megapixel bullet with the mounting accessories. Connect the 100-foot Cat5e cable to the camera. If mounting the camera outside, you may use a weatherproof housing accessory. We have a separate video on how to install this in the link below. We're ready to connect the 2 megapixel bullet to your new LaView NVR. Let's open your new premium NVR box. You should have the following: USB mouse, AC power strip, NVR power adapter, 3-foot Cat5e Ethernet cable, full HDMI to full HDMI cable, LaView guideline envelope, premium IP NVR system. Your LaView envelope will include the following: quick start guide, where you will find an overview of the setup, product warranty card, LaView stickers, NVR feature guide. You'll find the user manual and specific guidelines here. Let's build your LaView NVR. Connect the other end of the 100-foot Cat5e cable into one of the NVR PoE ports. Connect your NVR monitor with a full HDMI cable. Note, your monitor must support the resolution output. Connect the mouse to the USB port. There are 2 USB ports, one in the front and one in the back. Connect the power cable to the NVR and then to the power outlet. Connect one end of the 3-foot Cat5e cable to your NVR's LAN port. With the other end, connect it to your network router. Once your LaView NVR system is connected, you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our support team.